Social CRM platforms entered the market with a big promise, combining the power of social media and customer relationship to revolutionize how businesses engage customers. But instead of achieving that promise, most social CRM platforms struggled or failed to gain traction. Why did they fail? Today, we'll break this down using zero-pivot problem solving, a methodology that reveals why solutions succeed or fail based on how well they meet customer needs. Before understanding the failure, let's define the job to be done. Social CRM aim to help businesses engage customers effectively by integrating insights from social media. In theory, the platforms tried to bridge a real gap. Businesses were overwhelmed by social media activity and wanted tools to streamline engagement. But tools alone aren't enough. Let's look at the desired outcomes customers had when trying to engage through social channels. Social CRM platforms should have prioritized these outcomes, but most didn't. Instead, they added complexity without solving core struggles. Here's where social CRM platforms fell apart. Too much noise, not enough signal. Social CRM tools captured huge amounts of social media data, but failed to filter actionable insights. Businesses struggled to separate their critical leads from irrelevant mentions. Poor integration with existing workflows. Most CRM solutions operated as isolated tools instead of seamlessly integrating into existing CRM systems and sales workflows. Ambiguous ROI. Businesses couldn't measure the ROI of social media activities. Platforms didn't connect engagement to measurable outcomes like sales or conversions. Misalignment with the jobs to be done. Instead of helping businesses get their job done, engaging customers effectively, platforms focus on flashy features like vanity metrics. When a solution doesn't align with the actual struggles customers face, it's doomed to fail. This is where social CRM missed the mark. Here are the key takeaways from the social CRM failure. Number one is understand the jobs to be done. Businesses want to engage customers, not track meaningless data. Prioritize desired outcomes. Focus on filtering insights, automating workflows, and connecting efforts to ROI. Avoid feature overload. Simplicity wins. Adding complexity adds frustration. Integrate, don't isolate. Social tools must fit seamlessly into existing CRMs and business processes. These lessons aren't just for social CRM, but for any tool claiming to solve customer problems. So what would a successful social CRM look like? Well, it would surface high-value interactions automatically, integrate seamlessly with existing CRM workflows, and show clear ROI for social engagement. By aligning solutions with the customer jobs and outcomes, businesses can avoid the pitfalls that led to social CRM's failure. If you found this breakdown insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more analysis on why solutions succeed or fail. See you next time.